What's going on, guys? Back again. A lot of my videos, I just want to apologize in advance. A lot of my videos, I don't have time to edit them, so everything is just gonna be straight raw footage. It is what it is. Um, thank everybody that's been subscribing to my channel and everything. I really appreciate y'all. Um, Let me turn this around. Um, I'm here at the apartment building, putting in the back door. Um, I still got to get the front porch done, so we we're gonna work on that, but I actually had to put that on hold because I found a leak in the roof. So it's all bad. And so let me show y'all guys what I'm talking about. And then I'm gonna get back to what I was doing today. Okay. Yeah, so I'm in the back of the property, going up these stairs. Yes, this is a land bank property that I purchased. Uh, so this will be officially day 3. Um, shoot! Oh my god, I hit my head. Oh god. Oh, that hurt it. Oh, hit my head there. Oh, almost died. Oh my god. Gotta get used to this. So, over here in the attic, y'all see that? See all the white light spots? Of course, that's not gonna work. So, even right there, we got a spot right there. But yeah, so we gotta get that together. So this is the type of stuff you'll run into buying a house from the Detroit Land Bank. Uh, I didn't know that I had a water leak, but over here it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So I'll be turning this into an apartment. So this will be a studio. It's gonna look good when I get done with it, guys. Uh, it's gonna be real nice when I get done with it. So I'll be putting a bathroom up here and everything. Stand-up shower, the whole 9 yards. Yep. So we're working on that. Um, One of the things when you're doing it yourself, I gotta board this up. When you're doing stuff yourself, it's hard to get good workers to give you a hand. So one of my contractors just got fired today because don't want to show up for work. So, which is a family member. So you know how it is. So today, I had a board up, this board here for the back door, and then it was this door here, which is a super heavy door. Um, the crazy part about it is the doors come 30 by 80 from Home Depot. Shout out to Home Depot. That's where I get all my parts from. Everything from Home Depot. Everything. Um, it was a 30-80 door. That's how they come standard. This door is a 30 like 77. So had to improvise and tear out. You see here, this was a board going straight across all the way right there. So I had to tear that out, and so I'm reinforcing. Had to build a frame up around the door, and had to tear off some of the fixtures. So this is water damage too. You can see there, and I even got it some anchors in the brick to hold that door in. And then we're gonna build everything up. But it used to be just strictly like this here. You know, you gotta love my sign. I don't play that. That's why I got the Ring. Shout out to Ring, because this thing is the truth. Picks up everything, and it got an alarm on it. Everything. So I see everything that's going on with my property. So big shout out to Ring. Shout out to Home Depot all day. Make sure y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm giving this information out for free. Doesn't cost you anything. So we here at my land bank property, and So that's it. But I got cameras everywhere. We don't play no games. Here another one. Wi-Fi camera. I don't play no games. I got to see everything. This is the only side that you can walk on this property. Um, so let y'all see the front porch. This is the next project. Y'all see that there? It's all tore up. Even this here. So we're going to be working on that. Um, but yeah, so this will be day 3 of me working on the property. Oh, shout out to Ring again. Gotta have that. We don't play no games. I need to see all that. Oh, it is functional. This ain't play. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We keep all that. We gotta be able to sit there and watch your property. Gotta watch. So I see everything. Um, but yeah. So anyway, yeah. So it's just gonna be straight up raw footage of all my videos. So I don't have a camera guy to really go in and edit everything out. I do everything myself. So um, if we got a camera guy watching, hey, look, you might get a job. So shoot me an email. Y'all can email me at herosquad.pm@gmail.com, and that's herosquad.pm@gmail.com. All right, so thank you. If you haven't subscribed, press that subscribe button. Subscribe. Oh my goodness, I'm terrible with my English. All right, y'all take it easy.